Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I've posted another long video like this, but we have two dinosaurs to unbox today. We have the super colossal Giganotosaurus, and then we have the Gallimimus toy. And before you say that I'm in a new place, I am on vacation, and this is the second Gallimimus toy that we have. I forgot to unbox it, and so we're going to be opening these two up. Let's start with the Gallimimus because it doesn't take as much room up. All right, there you go. Now right here. All right, here we go. The Gallimimus. I kind of think that this toy is a little bit overpriced. It's about $10 at like Walmart, but it really doesn't do that much. I'd say if you can find a cheap toy of this, like a cheap place, like this should be kind of like $5, but it's $10. So, alright, it's kind of small, but I guess you can buy it if you want. I wouldn't recommend it. I mean, the legs move and the hands move. The head goes up and down, but other than that, there's really nothing. Like, the mouth doesn't open. The tail doesn't really move. You have to bend it. It's a pretty low-quality toy for the price that they're putting on it, but I can't do anything about it. So, now, we have a super colossal toy. A super colossal. It's been 6 months since we've opened up one of these. So, let us begin. So, I found this at a Target today, and I thought that this would be cool to unbox. Alright. I was told these scissors aren't very good, but they're actually doing pretty well, I'd say. There we go. These are one of the hardest toys to open, I have to say. There's so much tape, like there's so much. Here we go. Oh, okay, I ripped it. I didn't mean to do that. Gotta get the tape right there. Here we go. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot about these two right here. I might have been. Let's get these two off and then. Ooh. Oh gosh, these scissors are not doing well with this. Right here, got it. Now we have the body. Oh, there's another one. I always forget about this one every time I unbox a super colossal toy. This is the one that I always forget. This one cord is always there. I will pause the video and we will go back when I have opened this up. And so now we have our feet and our tail with the body. Wow. That's as far as I can open? Yep, okay, I guess it is. Big mouth. Can I put my hand in there? Whee! Alright, okay, let me get my hand out of its throat. Oh, hit the door. Now, where did I put my scissors? Here we go. Whee! They just glide across. They just glide. Here we go. Okay, I kind of hate the cardboard, not gonna lie. It just makes this whole experience of opening this thing up harder. I try to keep the boxes in good condition, but this just forces me not to. It's horrible. Foot. Chicken leg. That's what it is. Oh, that was a nice cut. Oh, that. Oh my gosh. Here we go. We might have finally done it. I think this has been 3 minutes of us just opening this up. I am so sorry for this. I am so very sorry. Here we go. So much trash. I'm gonna have to clean this up after. So much packaging. Like, why do you need so much packaging? Makes it impossible to open. Alright. This is great. Oh, no, not this again. If I can still take it off, then you're not... Oh, there we go. Nice. Can I rip you out? No, I can't. Please. Please don't do that. No. It's this again. There we go. Okay. Here we are, without the tail on. Here we are. Its feet are, this guy's feet, the size of his head. How does that work? Don't ask me, I didn't make it. Let's hope we get a nice snap, or that we actually get this tail in. All right, here we go. It's huge. You guys probably can't see. Let me back up a little bit more. He's huge. Oh my gosh, this thing is massive. Wait a minute. I want to try something out. Hey, Gallimimus, get over here. Yeah, it's a little slide. Oh my gosh, it actually goes down. Ow, gosh. Ooh, so that's amazing. Oh, I kind of like that. Whee! Nom. Oh. Alright, first we get the Gallimimus like this. Alright, then we closes up his mouth. Oh, come on. Alright, he closes up his mouth. Nom. Just straight in. He's pleased with his meal. Oh gosh, I have this on a carpet, so it's so hard to keep it from falling over. The Indominus Rex, the Carnotaurus, it does not stand up on carpet. You cannot make it stand up. So, I really like this toy. I would have never thought that they would include this as a Super Colossal toy, but I guess it's kind of fitting, because it is a big dinosaur. It might be bigger than the T-Rex, if I'm not mistaken. A lot of T-Rex fans are gonna be like, no, it can never be as big as it. I like what they've done with the hands. It's like rubbery, and then right here by the throat, it's kind of rubbery too. I like that. The mouth opens and closes easily, but down here, the stomach hatch, it's so hard to get. I like how you can put the Gallimimus in, though. That's kind of amazing. To all the Gallimimus fans out there, I'm so sorry, but it's so amazing. Just look, just look. He goes down. Just goes straight down into the throat. Numb. And then you open this up. Then it just comes out. So, I mean, the hands move. And the arms move. The foot, or the feet move. And the tail moves. But really, there's not much to play with on this. I mean, yeah, you could make it eat things, but that's all it really is. It's like, I mean, you could store things inside of it. And I wish they would, like, instead of painting on the eyes on this guy, like they do, maybe they should put, like, a bead inside or something. That would make it more realistic, in my opinion. I like the pattern, though. I feel like they could have added more onto the tail, though. I think it's plain. Like, I might just be wrong, and this is how it actually looks, but it just stops right here. And maybe that's what the dinosaur actually looks like, but I mean, Jurassic World doesn't have the most scientifically accurate dinosaurs. I mean, they do look better, though. But, I mean, if they can make, like, their own type of T-Rex and stuff, then I'm pretty sure they can add color over here, even if it doesn't go right. Scissors. I'm not gonna throw the scissors. I like the detail that they put into it, though. It just kind of feels like it's missing something. Like, with the scratches, I wish there was kind of more red there. Like, there was two versions, and one was red and one wasn't. But I guess I don't look like that. And it seems that the tongue is a little bit shinier with this one. I don't know if you guys can tell, but, like, this is the shiniest tongue I've ever seen on a dinosaur toy. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I will see you in the next one.